我回来了。
Xiaomi.
A masterpiece has to reflect the artist's state of mind. I think it has to give a little bit of the artist itself as something very personal, in my opinion. First time I saw a camera, I was probably a tiny baby. My mom always carrying one herself. I took on dancing at the age of 8. I was accepted in a dance school. This environment requires you to be completely dedicated. You can't waver. I think that's made me the way I am today. When I started taking photos, it was really to be able to share them with family that weren't here, months after months, years after years, kids after kids. Gradually, they're growing up. Having had the life that I had, taking photographs is my breathing space where I can actually witness things rather than being carried away. My childhood being the way it was drives me to explore something different with my own children and capturing little pockets of freedom, wilderness. That should be what childhood is about.
Can we play a game, Mom?
Okay. I am going to write down a word, and you have to guess who you are.
So, am I tall?
I think sometimes you can be as tall as a mountain. Other times you can be as small as a tiny seed.
Am I strong?
You can handle things that may be difficult for others. You have the power to keep going, even when things are tough.
Am I like a chef?
You create amazing things from simple ingredients, always mixing and blending to make something new and wonderful.
Am I pretty?
You have so many different colors and shapes, and you make everything look so much better.
Can I be upside down?
That's a funny question. As the world is constantly moving and spinning, I'd say yes, definitely.
Am I always happy?
Oh, sweetie, just like a garden needs a variety of plants to thrive, we also need a diverse range of emotions to grow and learn.
So, is it okay to feel sad?
You know, sadness is just as important for you as rain is for flowers. But hey, you still haven't figured out who you are.
Oh yes! I know who I am. I am you, Mom.
Xiaomi.